we're going to explore that dungeon that we found. And I found the solution, I think, and I don't know. Let's just see. And why am I not clicking right? Okay, there. No, back. There. Okay. Sorry about that. My mouse just going cuckoo for Cocoa Puff. So I think we have to jump up. Well, I'll explain. Okay, we have to jump up on that ladder. And I failed. So you can't place blocks in the dungeon or around the dungeon. So you have to parkour. And if anybody do not know what parkour is like jumping, just like jumping from place to place, like a jumping challenge, I guess. And you do not see any bubbles. Wait, there's a ladder over there. And why? How is so this ladder might lead to a solution. Yep. So I think that we do just have to. Yeah. Okay. I'm not doing this. Oh, I failed. Alright. Okay. I can't. Oh, yes! I did it. I see I do not play creative mode a lot. No. Okay, that did not happen. Any chests? What is this? I don't. Oh! Those like runes. So when you set one of those, does it like blow up? Okay. That sounded right. Oh, I can't get any of that. So I can't break anything inside the dungeon. Just gotta find the chest. What's this? It's like an altar. Awesome there. Paul had not unjudged lockers. How do you? I summoned there Paul Hutner and Orb of. I killed him! I killed Paul Hutner! Well, it's just still Lamnigos. Lamnigos? I'm sorry I killed your husband. Sorry. I didn't mean to. It's not my fault, I'm an idiot. So I guess you're just gonna have to live on your own. Bye. I'm gonna commit suicide. Okay. So I can't find anything in this dungeon part. Just look for the room part, because I blew up almost all the rooms. Oh, if you don't know what like runes are like if you can like that have like a magic. So I don't know how long I've been recording for. I should have probably timed that. So it's probably about so like in like 3 minutes I'll end this video. So this is just gonna be like this fortress, and accidentally I'm doing hyphens or whatever they're called in my hands, like the winky wink. Accidentally cheating, and yeah. So I can't find any chests, and all I found is like exploding rune things, which I can't even pick up because you can't break anything in this place. Okay. Well, will that mean that I can't open chests? Because it counts as entering. I don't know. They're probably something good. Another diary. And some spell that. Put it in the chat or whatever if you know how to work the spell abilities. Because I have no idea. So that will be the end of this video. And in the next video, we're going to hopefully find another dungeon. And other things. Like, do you want me to, like, find another dungeon, like, off camera? And then on camera, I can, like, look for, like, explore the dungeon or whatever. Or just, like, whatever you want me to do. And like this video and subscribe. This was Gnarl Master 27. And stay awesome. Peace.